There's a brand new YouTube niche exploding right now, and it's all about senior health. Take a look at the channel called Senior Secrets. In only 2 months of uploading, it's gained over 140,000 subscribers, more than 7 million views. With this level of engagement and audience growth, this channel is easily generating over $20,000 in ad revenue. Even though the channel was created years ago, its oldest video is only from 2 months back, which proves it started uploading recently. So why is this channel blowing up? Because it's giving simple, trusted advice on senior health. Tips for people over 60 and 70 about diet, exercise, daily habits, and medical checkups. And here's the key. More seniors are now spending time on YouTube than ever before. When content speaks directly to them, they watch longer, engage more, and the YouTube algorithm pushes those videos even further. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this kind of viral content yourself using completely free AI tools. So make sure you watch this video all the way through, because missing even one step could be the difference between going viral or staying invisible. Now let's get started. The very first step in creating viral senior health videos is choosing the right topics. Just like the Senior Secrets channel we're modeling, you need subjects that instantly grab attention. To make this super easy, I've already done the research for you. I put together a Google Doc with prompts you can use to generate your own unique video ideas and engaging scripts for this niche. You'll find the link to that Google Doc in the description below, so be sure to check it out. And if you've made it this far into the video, please hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more creators who want to grow with free AI tools in this exploding niche. All right, let's dive back in. Open the Google Doc, then copy the entire topic prompt. After that, head over to your favorite AI text generator. In this video, we're going to use ChatGPT. Paste the prompt directly into the chat box. But before you hit enter, make one small edit. Type in how many video topics or titles you want it to create for you. Then click enter. This is where AI really shines. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of creative and highly engaging video ideas, all tailored around the senior health niche. Things like daily longevity tips for people over 60, foods to avoid after 70, or simple exercises recommended by doctors. And here's the best part. If the first set of ideas doesn't completely grab your attention, don't worry. Just ask ChatGPT to give you more, and you'll instantly get a fresh batch of new topics to work with. This makes the brainstorming process effortless, and you'll never run out of content ideas for your channel. Once you have the list, carefully go through each topic. Look at what feels most engaging and valuable for your audience, and select the one you want to build your video around. Now that we've chosen our video topic, the next step is to generate an engaging script that keeps viewers hooked from beginning to end. To do this, head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt. Then go over to ChatGPT and paste it in. Before you hit enter, make a couple of quick edits so the output matches your video style. First, type in how many minutes you want your video to be. For example, if you're aiming for a 1-minute explainer, just input that number. Next, add the topic number you selected earlier from the list of video topics. Once that's done, click enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete, engaging script for you. What makes this so powerful is that the script isn't random. It's structured in a way that naturally hooks the audience, builds curiosity, and delivers value, which is exactly what makes senior health videos go viral on YouTube right now. Channels like Senior Secrets use this same formula. Clear storytelling, simple language, and actionable advice for people over 60 and 70. The next step is to create a professional voiceover for our video, and for this we'll be using 11 Labs. Head over to the 11 Labs website, click Sign Up, and create an account. Once you're logged in, go to the Instant Speech section, where you'll see the voice creation interface. Now switch back to ChatGPT and copy the full script we just generated. Paste it into 11 Labs, but before you move forward, take a moment to clean it up. Remove any headings or extra text that you don't want included in the narration. After that, click on the Voices option. 11 Labs gives you access to a wide range of realistic, human-like voices, both male and female, in different tones and accents. Preview several options until you find the one that feels natural and matches the tone of your senior health video. Once you've selected your preferred voice, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, 11 Labs will create a smooth, studio-quality AI voiceover for your script. From here, simply download the audio file directly to your device. The next step is to get visuals for our video. Senior health videos often rely on stock footage, though you can mix in AI-generated images for added variety. However, in this tutorial, we'll stick to using stock clips, with Pexels being one of the best free sources available. Head over to Pexels and type in keywords that match your script. For example, if your video is about daily health tips for seniors, search for terms like seniors exercising, healthy lifestyle, senior couple walking, or healthy food. Scroll through the results, preview the clips, and download the ones that best illustrate the points in your script. The idea is to match each section of your narration with a relevant visual so your audience stays engaged from start to finish. The next step is getting background music for our video, and for this we'll be using Suno AI. Start by heading over to Suno's website and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to access the creation interface. Since we only need instrumental background music and not lyrics, make sure to close the lyrics section. Now here's the key to getting the right sound. Return to ChatGPT and ask it for a style of music that best fits your script. Then click enter, and in seconds ChatGPT will give us the perfect style of music. Copy the suggestion, then head back to Suno, paste it in, give your track a simple title, and click create. In just a few seconds, Suno will generate 2 unique background music options based on the style you provided. Listen to both. Now select the one you prefer and download it straight to your device. The final step is to bring everything together with editing, and for this we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut, click on New Project, and import all the stock footage you downloaded earlier from Pexels. Next, adjust your aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the standard size for YouTube videos. Now import the AI voiceover you generated with 11 Labs. Go through carefully and cut out any long pauses or empty spaces in the narration, making sure not to trim too much so the flow stays natural. Once that's ready, begin arranging your video clips so they sync perfectly with the voiceover narration. If your script follows a countdown format, such as 5 tips for seniors over 70, you can add on-screen labels for each number to guide your viewers visually. Next, let's polish our visuals with transitions. Click on Overlay Transitions and preview the available options. Choose the one that matches your video style, then apply it to all clips for a smooth, consistent look. After that, it's time to add captions, which are extremely important for audience retention, especially in the senior health niche. Go to Text, select Auto Captions, and you will be presented with lots of captions templates. Choose the one you prefer, then click on Generated and let CapCut generate them for you. Once they're ready, adjust the size and position. You can also change the font and color so the subtitles are easy to read. Now import the background music you created with Suno. Place it under your voiceover, trim any extra parts that run longer than your video, and reduce the volume so it enhances the narration without overpowering it. With everything in place, watch your video from start to finish to make sure it flows smoothly. If you're happy with the final result, click Export, increase the resolution to 4K for the highest quality, and download your completed video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Over 60. Did you know one tiny daily habit could protect your heart and brain better than expensive supplements? Most seniors never hear this from their doctors, yet studies show the right seeds can lower heart risk by up to 30%. Stay with me because you won't believe seed number 2. It's a favorite of Japanese elders. And comment below, which seeds do you eat daily? Let's start with flax seeds. They look harmless, right? But here's the hidden truth. Most seniors miss out on omega-3, and without it, your arteries stiffen faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comment section.